Hello everyone, today we will learn about circles. Now what is circle? A circle is a simple closed curve, all of whose points are at the same distance from a fixed point inside it. See here, a simple closed curve, all of whose points are at the same distance from a fixed point. From this fixed point, all the points are of same distance. That closed curve is called circle. Now that fixed point, which called center. Fixed point is here O. So O is called center. This is called O is center. Now from this center, constant distance between the center of a circle and any point on the circle, constant distance from the center of the circle and any point on the circle, point D or C or A, is called is radius. So OA, O that is fixed point, then any point on the circle, the distance between the fixed point, that is center, and any point on the circle, that distance is called as radius. So OA is radius, OD is radius, OC is radius. So there are infinite numbers of radius in circle. Now what is circumference? Circumference, as we have seen in rectilinear figures, that perimeter. Here boundary of a circle, or in other way you can also call it perimeter. So boundary of a circle is called as circumference. This whole boundary is called as circumference. So we start from A, go round and round and come to the point A. This boundary is called as circumference. Now a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. Line segment, see here, PQ is a line segment and whose endpoint is, this line segment is, one endpoint is P and another endpoint is Q, and both points are lies on the circle, then that line segment is called as chord. So PQ is a chord. See here also. Now what is diameter? Diameter is the line segment which is passing through center, the line segment which is passing through center and whose end points are lie on the circle, that line segment is called its diameter. So CD is the diameter of circle. Here PQ is chord, CD is diameter, OA is radius and O is the center of circle. Now we seen that the line segment whose end points lie on the circle is called as chord. See here, diameter is also a chord, but it passes through center of the circle. So diameter also can be called a chord and it is the longest chord of the circle. Clear? So these are the terms we have to learn, that circle is a simple closed figure and from a fixed point and other points are of the same distance. That fixed point is called as center, and from center, the constant distance between the center of circle and any point on the circle is called radius. Then circumference means boundary of a circle is called circumference. The line segment which is passing through center of the circle and whose endpoints are lying on the circle is called diameter of circle. A line segment whose endpoints are on the circle is called chord of the circle. Now half of the circle is called semicircle. So one circle can be divided into two semicircles. So half of the circle is called semicircle. These are the basic terms which are used in circle. If you have any queries, you can comment in comment box. Enjoy learning.